stuff.
That's a lot of stuff we could do it.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff, huh, buddy? Lots of lights to look at. Yes. A merry-go-round. We're gonna try to find the bathroom, buddy. We passed one up. Look at the merry-go-round. We're gonna try to find one, buddy. Mommy, keep looking for it.
Yes, I want to pee.
Okay, buddy. We're working on it. Next time, go pee before we go. Okay. Looks like some sort of dinosaur there, huh?
Dinosaur.
Yeah. Here's Santa. Another train, Dion, look.
Good train.
Michael, another train.
Like on the train.
Oh, that's a pretty cool looking motorcycle, huh? Looks like a Harley. Yep. Christmas tree.
Where's the tractor?
Where? Oh, right there. Yep. You're right.
No tractor.
We got the tractor. We got the three wise men over here. Look at that. How babies doing? Sleeping? Oh, this is a tight car. Santa and his sleigh. What's that one got? A cannon? Oh. Alright. Looks like a big mug. What do we got here, buddy? We got a dump truck. And looks like maybe an excavator? I don't know. Dump truck and a possibly an watching everything and I have to watch the road at the same time.
Yep.
I wonder how many people take out the lights.
There's another one.
A good thing they put lights along the road.
There's another train. There's
Another one? Oh, wow. Look at that. It's got all kinds of goodies on it. Got a rocking horse, and presents, drum, Christmas tree. Look at that monster truck. Look. See the monster truck? Looks like you got a reindeer driving the monster truck, huh? With a Christmas tree in the back. Cool. You never even know. Peace sign. Pieces of
That's
fat.
peace sign, babe?
Yeah. something. Look at this one, a whale. First whale I've seen.
Yeah, you need to watch out.
Yeah, you sure do. Especially with the big car. I don't feel like taking out a string of lights. Another cardinal. A bucket truck, D.I. Look.
A fire truck.
There's the bucket truck, like the tree trimmer comes over. He's decorating the tree, putting the star on top. All right, neat, huh? Yeah, look at Santa Claus fixing the stoplight. What is this thing? An owl? Okay. Is that an owl? Sure looks like it. And we got Santa Express. Okay, good. Early exit. Wow.
No, to the left.
I know. Let me know when you see the bathroom for Michael. Oh, nice. They got a nativity scene. Look. Nice. I like the ones with the lights. Those are cool. I wonder how hard it'd be to do something like that in our yard. 2 swans.
Nativity scene.
With the lights, yeah. Frosty the Snowman. Did they ever get to see Frosty the Snowman yet, the movie? No, they never saw it. I'll have to put it on for them. It's probably on the internet. For free, I wouldn't be surprised.
Sitwinski, bebo. Sitwinski. It's like Stapinski.
Yeah.
Sitwinski. Your fellow Polish.
Yeah.
You can park in there.
Look
To
at
the
this.
left.
It's a semi-tractor.
You can park in here to the left, babe. Stop in here to the
Here?
left. And then he's
To the
gonna
left.
pee. Left! Park!
Over here?
Yeah.
You're gonna take him for a pee?
Yeah. Careful, the lights, people.
I see.
Alright.
Right here?
Oh, stay in here.
And there's a place to pee over here, babe? You're gonna take him? Mommy will
Yeah,
take you. I don't know where you go. Mommy will know. Santa on a motorcycle. Mr. Grinch.
What about the Grinch?
The Grinch? You know him?
What's the story of the Grinch?
The Grinch, he was like the crabby, mean guy.
And Charlie Brown, what's the story of Charlie Brown?
Charlie Brown, it's... Have a Charlie Brown Christmas. Then he had a little Christmas tree that they were making fun of him about.
Making fun?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a little Christmas
They got-
tree there.
Yeah.
Making
There's a little
fun.
Snoopy too.
Yeah, your Snoopy pants.
My Snoopy pants?
Yeah,
What?
you got Snoopy pants.
I got Snoopy
Oh,
pants.
daddy, oh.
Oh, yeah. I don't know whatever happened to him.
I got it.
You got him?
Yeah,
You wear him? You claimed him?
yeah.
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
yeah. This the way out, Dave?
Yeah.
Big hills in the park. Look at that. Ah, here we go. We got some more.
Oh, yeah.
What we got? Oh, no.
What we got in this place here?
Okay.
Hey, tell me what about?
A hammer. Look at that. There's a big hammer.
Big hammer. Smash the bell.
Riding a reindeer. There's Santa Claus waving. Bye.
Happy
Santa Claus in
New
an
Year.
airplane. Boy, he's getting modern. No more reindeer, huh? I seen him in a spaceship and a
Merry
airplane and a
Christmas.
helicopter.
Happy New Year. It said Happy New Year. It means thank you, goodbye.
This is it?
Yeah. Hello guys, this is my prosperity bowl. I got 12 eggs and then a Philippine money. Iba-ibang kulay, iba-ibang bills kasi yan lang yung meron ako. And then coins. United States coins. And I have coins here, Philippine coins. 1 peso. For my pocket. Belongs to my pocket. Prosperity ball.
I got. That's on the hat.
Boy, this is one fun hat. Wow, if I could have had a hat like this, I may never have gotten mine. That's the best.
Hello guys, Happy New Year! Hello guys, Happy New Year! May nagpaputok. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, America! This is our neighbor. At least may nagpaputok somewhere doon. I don't know where it is. Happy New Year, USA, Philippines. Happy New Year 2023. Hi guys, Happy New Year. Ang tahimik guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Michael. Happy New Year.
Let me turn you loose. No milk?
Dion, Happy New Year, Dion. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Hi, careful. Ano yun?